Your brand deserves more than basic socks. It deserves a style statement. At our factory, we help brands turn socks into symbols of identity. Our socks aren't just accessories, they're brand amplifiers. Whether you're building a fashion label, a sportswear company, or a lifestyle brand, our custom sock solutions elevate your brand image. We understand branding. That's why we offer full customization down to color, texture, tags, packaging, and eco-material options. You bring your logo, and we bring it to life on a product your customers will wear and love. Our production line handles all sock types: crew, ankle, athletic, fashion, and more. With a fast turnaround, low MOQ, and expert branding support, we make sure your socks speak volumes. We also help with product storytelling. Every design can reflect your mission, campaign, or seasonal theme. Imagine your socks becoming a viral product or the next influencer's favorite. With professional-grade dyeing, eco-certified yarns, and seamless integration into your fulfillment plan, you can scale with confidence. Your socks should do more than cover feet. They should tell your brand story. Partner with us and watch your brand power grow from the ground up.